Hello everyone. So the rain has stopped. So since August 5, it's been raining in our area day and night. And I haven't done anything here in my succulent garden because they are all always wet. Yeah, that's why so I don't want to disturb them. As you can see, there are some that was not able to survive. There are so lots of black leaves, so some are going big. So there are different reactions from the too much rain that they are getting right now. So today is August 19. Yeah. And look how the weeds grow so much in my garden. So I cannot remove weeds because it's been raining. It's good that it just stopped right now and time check it's already 12 in the afternoon. So actually my garden doesn't really look good as you can see in the video. So I just make this video very quick for an update kasi you might be wondering why I am not posting. It's because of the too much rain. So right now they don't really look good and I cannot clean them up because if I go out just like now the rain has stopped. But actually if you start working on them, it will actually rain. So it's good that the rain has stopped for a while and look at our cream tea. It was not able to survive, though our Polaroid Anna, our Super Bug is okay. Our variegated tubans, which I am really surprised that it was able to survive. Our Fly to the Sky, some Rosette was not able to survive. Our purple card is okay. Some are getting very lush. Yeah. Though some are not really surviving. Though this part, the last part here, think they are okay. And look at our super bomb, so cute. So our pat pink, our sedum adobe eye, our aggressive wheel, our what do you call this? Arun Bay, yeah. So it's not looking good. And our sedum Mendoza, I and our purple delight, our ghosty, our peach pride, our two pots of Ekeversil beef and our Arun Pay, which has a very dull color because of the rain. Since imagine since August 5 it was rainy every day and it was not a simple rain, it's really strong. Yeah. So I cannot really do anything in my garden though they are surviving this spot of our stamsa is okay. Our Mendoza is getting less. So some, mostly the Kivia are not really going well, but our Graptopetalum, they are really fine, like our Mendoza. Our Purple Delight, they are really going lush. And another part of Mendoza, our Gusti. Our Arce is okay, though it lacks color. Our Cactus is fine. Yeah. And our purple delight is fine. Our Arun face getting more lush and trailing with weeds on it. Especially our Mendoza. It's getting big and lush actually. Actually, Mendoza Graptopetalum really loves rainwater. So we have our Mirinade, though they don't have stress color, but they are fine. Another part of Mirinade. Then we have the Mendoza there that I thought is going to die, but we have our aloes, hybrid aloes. Then, this is actually our propagation pot before, but now it's not propagation pot. And look how crowded they are already. And our purple haze is really lots of fungus, mealbugs. And this one, our this baker, our Aquarius. So our goose plant not really looking good. So I'm just giving you an overview how are my plants. And this is how our hybrid aloes looking. Actually, they produce already seeds. So I'm just waiting for it to harvest it, the proper time to harvest it. So they are really messy in my garden. I cannot do anything because of the too much rain I'm getting. We're having here in the Philippines. So imagine August 5 and it's already August 19. It's continuous rain day and night. So we have our, what do you call this? Purple. The name is purple. I forgot. And then we have our hybrid Love the Rose, our Tito Vans, hybrid Love the Rose, our two Chloe's. We have cactus there. And we have our, what do you call it? Because of not making a vlog for too long, I forgot their names already. So this is our here one, gold, yeah. And our purple to right. So in spite of rain, look at that pigmentation on the rosette. It's really pretty. Yeah, though they not really that colorful. Then I have here my Super Balm, our Ghosty. Look how lush they are. Our Noella. So there's lots of things. There are lots of things to do here in my garden. And we have our Echeveria Succulent for pot. But though I am sad that there are some succulents that was not able to survive here in my garden. I am still truly blessed that in spite of the rain, day and night, these past days, some was able to survive. I know there will be lots that can survive because I really invest in a good soy mix. So there, though the purple haze doesn't really look good. So look at the flowers of this Echeveria, our Hera. Let's just remove it. So there, I remove it, and then we have our pots here, our Echeveria. Though some are really just fine. So I don't know if this purple champagne will survive. Our Hakoho. Look at our pink curls there. Very big. And width is very big. So it's like what I have said. So I was not able to remove the weeds there because I don't want really to disturb the roots. So look, some was not able to survive, but our little ones was able. So this is how they look like. They are really, really messy. Lots of things to do. But I need to dry them to wait for the soy mix to dry before I really clean them up. So look at so this is the first time that I saw the blue cloud. So it has an orange flower. Our here I have somewhat pink. So let's get this one and the other one too. So I just put this on the base. Yeah. And then on this side, same thing. Some was able to survive, some were lost. So lots of weeds. Sorry and excuse me. This is the real thing that's happening in the garden if you don't tend them. So I'm just really happy that some are able to survive. So all we have to do is I have collected lots of flower already. Then we have here. So our Dieta is surviving. So it's starting to drizzle again. So this is our Marcus, our Queen Victoria. So this is a problem purple haze. Yeah, fungus. And our Murasaki is trying to survive. And we have our Murphy, our Tinkerbell, our Murphy, Chloe, Chloe, Murphy, our Sedum Clavado. Yeah. So we have our Arenfe, which is really not colorful, but we have here besides the Chloe, our cheesecake, pots of cheesecake, another pot of Chloe, Arenfe, Arenfe, then we have cheesecake and our lush Chloe. Also the pots of our cactus. So I don't know if it's a pot of cactus or weeds already. So I'm really will give time to them if the rainy season or the La Nina will stop. So one of the cactus was not able. This is Alprophytomus, yes, it was not able to survive. Though our Kiko looks very healthy. Yes, so let's go to the stainless rock. Before we go to the stainless rock here, our variegated Gymnocalycium, our propagation of cactus. So before, my problem is they got dehydrated. Now they are very wet. So on this track beside our propagation pot, but the purple haze is growing so well here. So it's really nice that the propagator succulent. So there will be no problem. So there's a visitor there is eating my plant. Then we have our cheesecake here. Our visit with our look at the weeds. So I'm really sorry for showing this kind of garden, but this is the reality that's happening in my veranda area. So we have our rune pig, Chloe, our cheesecake, cactus. So chili such a mess. And here is our stainless rock, the other one. So far our parkages at Sicily's, though most of them doesn't really look good. Our cat's claw is still fine. Nice. And our aga boys, I was really surprised that they are striving. Yeah. There. Look at our Romeo. And the below, more our missing you getting so big. Our Benemusume losing our colors, their colors, I mean. Our Bianca, our Pat's pink. And then this is what you call this. I forgot the name. I forgot. So there. I just want a quick view of my garden. So for those who are wondering why I'm not vlogging or updating because of the rain. Yeah. So it's about the rain again. So this one was not able to survive. So I'm taking care of this with no, just a joke. So I will clean it up when the rain stops. The soil mix is dry because I really don't want to disturb the roots right now. So let's just wait which one can survive and which one cannot. So other sets of this variegated badminton survived, the others did not. But look at this one. Our Lawinsiana. It's very big. Yeah, as well as our what do you call this thing? I forgot. So that's all my sharing for today. Just a quick update that my garden is really a mess, though some are surviving. And then our propagation pots are okay. So this is our variegated tituban, which is really surprising that it was able to survive. So they are okay. Look at our beautiful Beyonce. So some died also in the propagation. Most of them actually. Yeah. But I'm happy that there are more surviving. So that's all for today. I hope you like my update though. How would you like it? It doesn't really look good. Even myself, I don't really like this video because it's really not really pleasant to the eyes. But that's the reality of gardening. It's not always perfect, especially when the weather is not really very favorable to our plants. But let's just keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. So that's all for today. Bye. So keep safe, everyone. Pray for the Philippines because most of the places here in the Philippines are flooded already, especially in Manila area. So I live in Silang Cavite, so we are safe together with my plants. So happy gardening, everyone, and God bless us all. Bye. See you on my next video. Hopefully, I can share more blessing video or blessing vlog. Not like this. So bye bye. See you on my next vlog. God bless. Happy gardening, everyone.